Hello guys, this is Abdurrahman Gilal and we are going to extend our understanding about polymorphism here in this video. We have already discussed that the polymorphism is a very important concept of object-oriented programming. From the word itself, it's a, by the way, Greek word which means many shapes. So poly means many and for morph means shapes so or forms. So it means that one object will be having many shapes in it. So if we got more than one classes and then all of them are actually trying to, pass certain how to say properties or additions to the methods which is in the base class. So this is how we actually try to use the polymorphism. So I was thinking to just give you an idea that what if we got more than one object to be created for the parent class, and then how can we use some effective way of coding to make sure that the polymorphism happens with us. So I was thinking to just give you an example, for instance, about the class vehicle. So let's say I have got this class called vehicle, and we know that every okay, excuse me, there must be something wrong. So yeah, class vehicle, my C was capital there. Okay, so I know that every class, every car actually, or every vehicle is actually move. So I am making a method for move or go. It's up to you. So I'm making like system dot out dot println. So I'm gonna send the vehicle moves. I say this is my method here. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually extend my develop class, and this is vehicle. So I am gonna make my car as vehicle. So I'm saying car extend class vehicle. So no, this one. Okay. Okay, we got this vehicle, so we should make it capital as a sorry. Yeah, this makes sense. And we know that we can still use this, method to override. So I would say this is called overriding. Okay, so I'm saying here I say car moves, and if I have another vehicle such as, let's say I make it bike extends vehicle, so I say bike moves. So it's the same thing, right? Sorry about that. Okay, so now we know that, okay, we have one class called vehicle and it's being extended by a car and as well as by bike. So how actually we gonna make it a slightly effective in terms of coding? So let's call vehicle example is my main method to test the classes. So what we understood basically about that, if we have a main class that we wanted to you know have its object ready, so I'm gonna just making this vehicle, and there I have more than one type of vehicles coming, so I'm just gonna make it like this way. I'm gonna say car is my vehicle, but before car I'm gonna say vehicle is my vehicle actually. Yeah, so vehicle is my first constructor, car is my second constructor, and bike is my third constructor. New of bike, of course. So it is basically what we're going to do is that it's going to create an array of the class. This is going to be an array. Now it's an instance, but it's an array instance. It will be multiple objects in this instance, and it is basically of type vehicle class. So vehicle will be extended by vehicle, which is the by default one, and vehicle will be extended by the car, which is another extended class, and the bike. So basically all of them will be just replacing this one. All of them will be just replacing that one. So no overriding is happening here in the bike or car classes. So this is the thing. Okay, now how we gonna do that? If we know that we can use some loops, and then we know that this is a vehicle type, and I'm gonna make a vehicle and X, and what is my how to say array variable, and this is my array variable. So this is my class name, so I just put class type. So it's all will be coming in here, so it will make a singular type of object, right? So now here I'm gonna make x dot move. So basically it will help me to keep moving everything. So let's run it. So vehicle example, and there you go. It's the first call. Definitely, we say it as we say like it's gonna be vehicle moves and then car moves and the bike moves. So what did we learn from this example is that we can create multiple or composite object of vehicle class or any class that is a parent class. So we can try to extend it from multiple, or we can do the overriding from multiple classes at one time as well. So if you got any how to say constructor that is being received here, like what type of car, for instance, if you got a car that is of how to say some particular type, or you got a bike that is of particular type, so you can pass through this and then you can receive there in the constructor. I hope it makes some sense. If you got any question, you can please drop me a comment. I will it will be my pleasure to answer you. Thank you so much, guys.